morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. It's your physics class, and in the last class, we started unit number 2, that is measurement. So, today we are going to continue that unit and we are going to explore more about the measurement. So, let's begin. Let's begin with the CGS system. CGS system was first introduced in France. It is also known as the Gaussian system of units, and it's based on centimeter, gram, and second as the fundamental units for length, mass, and time. The next system of units that we are going to discuss is MKS system. It was also introduced in France and it is known as the French system of units, and it is based on meter, kilogram, second as the fundamental unit of length, mass, and time. Means if we are talking about the MKS system, so the units for the fundamental quantities, that is length, mass, and time, will be meter, kilogram, and second. Now the third system that we are going to discuss over here is the FPS system. This system was introduced in Britain and it is known as the British system of units. It is based on foot, pound, and second as the fundamental unit of length, mass, and time. Means the fundamental units of the length, if we are talking about FPS system, so the fundamental unit of length will be foot, the fundamental unit for mass will be pound, and the fundamental unit for time will be second. Now let's discuss about the principle that is behind the international system of units, that is known as SI system as well. The main purpose of the system international of units is to provide the same values for measurement such as length, mass, and time, no matter where in the world the measurement is performed. Means wherever we in the world we are performing the measurement, it will have the same value if we are considering it under the system international. Okay, so in 1971 the General Conference of Weight and Measures held in its meeting and it decided a system of unit for international usage, and this system is also called the international system of units and abbreviated as SI from its French name. The SI unit consists of 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. So let's explore it further. Now let's discuss about the 7 fundamental units, that are meter for length, kilogram for mass, second for time, Kelvin for temperature, ampere for electric current, candela for luminous intensity, and mole is for the amount of substance. All these SI units have some symbol, like meter is having symbol M, kilogram kg, second S, Kelvin K, ampere A, candela CD, and mole is MOL. One should remember and one should recognize them very well. As we all know that the speed of light is different through different medium, but its speed, the speed of light is the highest in the vacuum. Okay, and the light travels 299,792,458 meter in 1 second. Means it is the speed of light in the vacuum. So 1 second is equal to 299,792,458 meters. It means that if we want to calculate 1 meter, what you have to do is that you just have to divide 1 by 299,792,458. It means that the distance traveled by light in vacuum is 1 upon 299,792,458 second is known as 1 meter. The cylinder that you can see on the right hand side is made up of platinum iridium alloy. It is the only prototype of 1 kilogram with reference to which all the kilograms in the world are calibrated. It is carefully preserved in International Bureau of Weights and Measures situated at Cyprus near Paris. On the left hand side you can see a glass container Basically, that cylinder is carefully preserved, keeping all atmospheric conditions in mind. The glass cylinder you can see is with controlled pressure, temperature, and all the atmospheric conditions. So here is the definition. The kilogram is the mass of prototype cylinder of platinum iridium alloy preserved at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres near Paris. So let's move further to the definition of second. So 1 second is the time that elapses during the cycles of the radiation produced by the transition between two levels of the cesium-133 atom. So in today's class we discussed about the System International. We discussed about the 7 fundamental quantities and their units, and we also discussed about the definition of meter, kilogram and second. So that's all for today, and for more information you can refer to your book chapter number 2. Thank you so much, class.